Sabadi. Welcome to my YouTube cooking channel. My name is Kat and today I'm going to be cooking Laab Seen, which is minced beef salad. The ingredients for this particular salad is the steak, of course, cilantro and mint leaves, Kaffir lime leaves. You can get these at Asian markets. I actually have a Kaffir lime tree that my mother-in-law gave me, so I just get my leaves from the tree that I have here at my house. Lemongrass, green onion, shallot, garlic, badak, which is fermented fish sauce, regular fish sauce, B, which is beef bile, Galangal Root, Thai pepper, lime, and finally Khao, which is a toasted rice powder. I'll actually link a video at the end of this one that can show you how to make that at home. For the ingredients that you're like, what is this? Guaranteed you can get it at any international or Asian market. I'll also leave links down below in the description for any products that you could buy online. All right, so now that you know what's up, let's get cooking. We'll begin by using sea salt to lightly season each side of the steak. We'll be cooking the steak on a high broil in the oven. You could also grill your steak or cook it on the stove top. I place it in a baking sheet lined with foil. Set my broil to high and choose the middle rack. I'll flip at about 10 minutes and then it takes 15 minutes total for the steak to cook. I'll then dice it into very small pieces, removing any bones, and then begin to mince it. Place the minced beef in a bowl and set aside, and begin slicing all of our veggies very thinly. That includes the green onion, the lemongrass, Thai pepper, and our shallot. The Kaffir lime leaf can be stacked and rolled. We could then slice it in very thin slices. We will mince our garlic and then peel and mince our Galangal Root, and that will conclude our veggie prep. The next step is the easiest. We simply combine all of our ingredients in our bowl. That includes all the veggies, our lime juice, B, fish sauce, badak, and with a gloved hand, give that a good toss. Add salt and MSG, Khao, and mix well. Use huge handfuls of both cilantro and mint leaves. I really think the more mint, the better. Move your Laab Seen to a serving dish and add garnish. Laab Seen is the only dish that my husband told me that when I make it, it tastes just like his mom's, and best compliment ever. So I'm really excited for him to come home and eat some of this with me. Until then, I'm gonna eat it with you. I like mine with sticky rice or as a wrap and some romaine lettuce. Also, this is so good. It's probably top 5 my favorite foods. You can eat it hot, cold, room temperature. You can have it fresh, you can have it leftover. You could use expensive steak or really, really cheap, crappy steak. It doesn't matter. Like, all the ingredients and all the flavors are just spicy, savory, that umami flavor. It's so good. It's really good. So let's try it. So my husband and I have 4 kids, so there's 6 of us in this house. And for nearly any meal that we're eating together, it is around like this like sticky rice basket. And I can't tell you like how much love this represents. Like just the family, the culture, the love, just everything. And it's not just holidays. It's just breakfast, lunch, and dinner with your family, sitting together, eating the rice, and it feels like home and it feels like love. And I'm going off on a tangent, but that's really why I just am passionate about this food, about cooking, and about sharing it with you. I want to share the love, and I want you guys to experience like the kind of things that I've been able to experience in the past decade being with my husband. I'm not crying. You're crying. But anyways, I really appreciate you guys following along. Your support is a major blessing. If you want to see more content, please subscribe to my page right here. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. That's what's going to keep my videos flowing. And until next time, Cup Jai.